All right, guys, welcome to the 25 pip challenge. I'm Vinnie. I'm the creator of Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code. And for those of you who are new, this is going to be your 25 pip challenge or recap video. Okay, this is our first week of trading inside this free community. And I want to say welcome. Uh, so I started this account with $60. It's a live account, as you guys can see, with Plexi Trade. All right. And we're going to see how far we can grow this account in the next 60 days. Now, I'm doing something interesting where I'm giving the money away. So, whatever I build the account up to, I'm going to give it away. All right. Now, for those of you who join the community, there are a few rules uh, in order to receive or a chance to win that prize. And if you want that, go to the link below this video at 25pipchallenge.com. That's 25pipchallenge.com. Link will be below this video. So let's get started with this recap. So we took two trades this week. The first trade was GBP CAD, and I put this here inside of the Telegram group. Here is the trade alert. Okay, and also email this to our members. Okay. So we took this trade. Here's where I entered the trade at. Okay, it was the first TP or second TP. Never got a chance to get up to the first or second TP. All right, so let me explain to you what happened. Our stop loss got hit, so we got back into the trade. Okay, now everyone was in profit, right? And a lot of members took profit early, but what happened with me is I was being greedy. All right, so let me show you here in this photo. We were inches away from hitting TP. So news came out on Tuesday, 8:30, CAD news, and I thought we were going to hit TP before the actual news came out. I should have closed out the trade. Okay, a lot of other members closed out the trade, and they made profit. For me, I moved my stop into profit because I told everyone at 7 a.m. in the morning here. I said move stop into profit. Remember, we have CAD news at 8:30. And so when I moved my stop into profit, I guess because of the selling pressure, price or the candles blew past my stop. Okay. So I was negative $17. Okay. Now, that doesn't scare me. It's neither here nor there. Got back into the trade, guys, and trade was moving in the right direction, as you guys can see. Okay. I was in profit $10. And let me show you my position. Here's where I got in at. Okay. So on the chart, if we look at it on the chart, here is where we almost took profit here in this area here, and then news came out and dropped GBP CAD. Okay. So I knew we were gonna price was gonna go back up. Wasn't worried about that at all. So price eventually did come back up, but it didn't come up and hit TP. All right. It actually came back down, consolidated. All right. So I added some more positions. And when price finally got up here, I took profit. Okay. Let's move on. Next trade is going to be GU. So I saw the opportunity for GU. Let me show you that trade. Here is the trade alert for GU for a buy. Okay. As you guys can see, we got this trade off the scanner on the 1 hour time frame. GBP USD was selling us to buy. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's take a look at it. Our stop loss got hit here on GU, so we got back into the trade. No biggie. And let me show you here. Okay. So I told everyone to move stops into profit. We're almost at TP here on GU. Okay. Here was what I was floating at that time with GU and GBP CAD. All right. Wind up taking profit. Let me go ahead and show you this GU trade. So on the GU trade, here was the take profit. Here was our entry. Okay. Price came up, came back down. This trade is still valid. The reason why this trade is still valid, because we did not break any lows here. Okay. No lows were broken on this trade. If we would happen to break this low here, let me go ahead and highlight it for you guys. If price would have broken that low, then I want to get out the trade. Okay. But since price came down, it did not violate this low. That means price is still consolidating, and we still have a chance to move up. So if I turn on the cheat code indicator, it looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm still looking for price to go up. Let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are above the HMA here. Okay, and HMA is still blue. All right. So it lets me know that price still wants to continue up. I'm still just looking for price to get up to this area here, near the other side of the band or near the 47 moving average. Okay, and that hasn't happened yet. Also, if we even go to the 6-hour time frame, okay, we can see that price is nowhere near the 47 moving average. So I'd like to see price get a little closer to the 47 moving average before I look to get out the trade. Okay. So here, let's see how close we are to the 47 moving average. Also here, see how close we are to the 47 moving average. Price is nowhere near the 47 moving average here. Okay. So it lets me know the price can still move up. Also, our confirmed sell, we don't have a confirmed sell here. We have a confirmed sell here. We have a confirmed sell here, but we do not have one here. So it's not time to sell yet on GU. So I'm still looking for GU to push up. Okay. Once we get that, we can get into a sell trade and actually trade with the trend here on GU, because I do expect it to continue to fall, just not that at this very moment. So sometime next week, we could get a sell trade, trend trade here on GU. Okay. So other than that, those are the two trades we took for the week. I wind up ending the week in profit, as you guys can see. Balance is $80, floating at $1.30. Okay. So I did end the week in profit here on GU and GBP CAD. So one of the things I have to do better is informing the group when I close and open trades. Sometimes I get busy with the family, and so I'm not always able to do that. But I will try to do a little bit better with that in letting the group know when I open and close trades here. Okay. Other than that, we're just going to keep on pushing with the challenge. We're using the bread and butter strategy. Bread and butter strategy is simply a 1-hour signal, 15-minute break and retest. Okay. And we're going to get all our trades from the HPS scanner. HPS scanner scans the market for high probability setups. Okay. And then once we get our setup, we'll see if it aligns with the G code, and we'll take the trade. Okay. We're going to do this for the next 60 days. After the 60 days are up, we'll see what the account is at, and I will be giving the money away. Okay. Again, if you want to join this free challenge, this free community where you can get trade alerts, you go to 25pipchallenge.com. That's 25pipchallenge.com. And I hope to see you guys in the group, or like, comment, subscribe, and wait for our next recap video. Thank you.